Hello everyone, Rodrigo from Brazil. In the first moment, sorry about my English, it's not perfect. I never have any kind of English lessons, right? I will hide my camera right now. Okay, what is about? What is this project about? When I need to learn something in the backend, I always use this project. It is a X clone with React, Vite, and Tailwind. And this is the front end having communication with a different backend frameworks. Imagine that you need to have um, your front end running with Vite or Next.js, but in the backend should be with FastAPI or Django or Ruby on Rails only API. Imagine this scenario. So you need to understand how this frameworks works or have any kind of basically idea about this. Well, right now I am using iRails. iRails it is the fast API, but with a lot of tools, almost that we have when we are using Ruby on Rails only APIs. In fact, don't have the views, of course, because it's only backend and API. I believe is that because this is the first project that I am building using this framework. But let's check. I will log out here. As you can see, I am using those and sign up. Sign up. My name is this, and this one it is my email, and this is my phone number. My avatar is this one. Let's check. It is my boy, right? Yeah, a soccer player. On bio and Instagram, Victor. And the password, right? We have the message here and having communication with the backend. Let's see how we have this communication here. This project it is with Node.js, right? But we are using this one, the iRails. As I mentioned, it is have the fast API and a lot of tools and communications and requirements already prepared for this kind of project. Let's see, FastAPI, SQL, Alembic, JWT, Bcrypt, Redis, WebSockets, Python multipart to upload. So basically everything that we need to have a fast API project. Okay, so it is not don't have a lot of things, but helps a lot in the implementation because it's almost when we run with Ruby on Rails something like this terminal Rails G scaffold post blah 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 blah, almost the same, right? So I In my opinion, it is a good project package, in fact, and with this, it is possible to have a good implementation and faster. You don't need to worry about a lot of things or what this kind of package should be in your project or no. No, everything that you need to worry, it is in this project, already is in the project, right? So basically is this. Let's try with this user with a wrong password. Okay, no, enable, and now okay, it is possible. In the next video I will share what I have posting and changing the profile and real-time number of posts, likes, I believe reposts too, or something like that, and users that are following you. Okay, thank you, bye.